Welcome to this comprehensive demonstration of Eclipse Cabinets PRO, the ultimate SketchUp extension designed to bridge the gap between creative design and precision manufacturing. In this video, we'll walk through a complete kitchen layout to show you how effortlessly you can move from a blank canvas to a fully optimized production file. We begin our project by accessing the main interface and selecting an L-corner base cabinet. Notice the level of detail available in the parameter panel on the left. You aren't just placing a box. You are defining the DNA of the cabinet. From the total width and depth to the specific height of the toe kick and the thickness of the panels, every dimension is under your control. Once placed, we continue the run by adding a standard two-door base cabinet. The extension is designed to understand spatial relationships, making it simple to snap modules together with millimetric accuracy. One of the most powerful features of the PRO version is its dynamic flexibility. If a design requirement changes midstream, there is no need to delete and start over. By using the Edit Cabinet function, you can call back the parameters of any existing module. Whether you need to expand a 600mm cabinet to 800 or change the door style to match a new aesthetic, the model updates instantly in your workspace while preserving all underlying joinery logic. As we finish the base run, we'll add specialized modules like a 3-drawer unit and a combined drawer and door cabinet. You can even customize the height of the top drawer to accommodate specific cutlery inserts or hardware, giving you total design freedom. Moving to the upper section, we utilize the wall cabinet library. We start with the L-corner upper to maintain alignment with the base units below. As we add single door, double door, and modern bifold lift systems, notice how the software handles the heights and depths to ensure ergonomic clearance. Each module is more than just a 3D object. It carries metadata that will later be used for your cut lists and pricing. This smart placement ensures that your 3D visual is always a 100% accurate representation of what will be built in the shop. The design phase concludes with our tall cabinets. We're placing a full height pantry with customizable internal shelving and a dedicated refrigerator housing. These tall units act as the anchors of the kitchen. An Eclipse PRO allows you to split doors and adjust shelf spacing to meet your client's exact storage needs. In just a few minutes, we've built a complex, professional-grade kitchen model from scratch. Now, let's look at the PRO side of the extension, production and optimization. With a single click on the production menu, the software parses every component in the scene. The cut list feature generates a comprehensive breakdown of every single part, including carcass panels, door faces, and backings, complete with edge banding requirements. But we take it a step further with price estimation. By inputting your local costs for materials, hardware, and labor, Eclipse Pro provides an instant, accurate budget for the entire project. This eliminates the guesswork and allows for immediate quoting. The crown jewel of the production suite is the automated nesting engine. This is where the extension pays for itself. By entering your sheet dimensions, whether you're using MDF, plywood, or particle board, and your CNC bit diameter, the software runs a sophisticated optimization algorithm. It lays out every part onto your sheets to ensure the absolute minimum amount of waste. You can review the nesting maps, check the yield percentages, and once satisfied, export the entire layout as a DXF file. This file can be loaded directly into your CNC software, creating a seamless digital to physical workflow that eliminates manual data entry errors. Finally, we look at the global settings. Eclipse Cabinets PRO is built for the international professional. You can toggle between metric and imperial units, set up your own currency, and even localize the interface language to suit your team. Whether you are a custom shop or a high-volume manufacturer, this tool is designed to scale with you. Thank you for watching, and it's time to transform the way you build with Eclipse Cabinets PRO.